Hello students, in this video we are going to learn Euler's theorem. So statement of Euler's theorem is Euler's theorem on homogeneous function of two variables states that if z is a homogeneous function of two variables x, y of degree n, then x dabba x by dabba x dabba z by dabba x plus y dabba z by dabba y is equals to nz. If we have any homogeneous function of two variables, let x and y, which has degree n, then x dabba z by dabba x plus y dabba z by dabba y is equals to n into z, where n is degree. So proof of this theorem is, let z be a homogeneous function of degree n. So we can write z as, if z is a homogeneous function of degree n, then we can take x raised to n common from whole equation. So it is of the form z is equals to x raised to n into f of yx. Now we will take for partial derivative of z with respect to x, which is, now here x raised to n is also a function of x, f of y upon x is also a function of x. Therefore u into v rule is applied. So derivative of first function is n x raised to n minus 1, second function as it is. Now first function x raised to n as it is, and derivative of second function means f of y by x is f dash of y upon x, and derivative of y upon x is minus y upon x square. Similarly, if we take partial derivative of z with respect to y, then x is constant here, therefore x raised to n is constant, and derivative of f of y by x is f dash of y by x, and derivative of y upon x is 1 by x. Now consider LHS. Therefore, x dabba z by dabba x plus y dabba z by dabba y is equals to x. We will put both these values of dabba z by dabba x and dabba z by dabba y in this equation. So after solving, we get, when x is multiplied inside, then we get n x raised to n f of y upon x minus, this minus sign comes here. This is x from 1x from here get cancelled and 1x from here get cancelled, so it is x raised to n minus 1. When we multiply y inside, so here x and x raised to n, so 1x get cancelled, it is x raised to n minus 1, and y get multiplied inside, so it is x raised to n minus 1 f dash of y upon x into y. Now observe that these both terms are same, with one has minus sign and another has plus sign, therefore both get cancelled and we get n x raised to n f of y by x. Now at starting we have written that z can be written as x raised to n f of y by x, therefore this is nothing but z, therefore it's equal to nz, which is our RHS. Hence we prove Euler's theorem on homogeneous function of two variables. So let us take example on this theorem. Let z is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So this is a function. We have to verify Euler's theorem for this function. So first, whether this is homogeneous function or not. So for homogeneous function, we take x square common from this equation, we get x square common, so here it is 1 plus 2 into y by x plus y square by x square. So it is a function in variable y upon x, and x raised to n is common where n is equals to 2. Therefore this is homogeneous function of degree 2. Here n is equals to degree of homogeneous function, which is 2. Now we will find partial derivative of z with respect to x. So partial derivative of x square is 2x, partial derivative of 2xy is 2y, and partial derivative of y square is 0. therefore which is equals to 2x plus 2y. Now we find partial derivative of z with respect to y. So partial derivative of x square is 0, partial derivative of 2xy is 2x, and partial derivative of y square is 2y. Now we will consider our LHS of Euler's theorem, that is x into dabba z by dabba x plus y into dabba z by dabba y is equals to x into value of dabba z by dabba x is 2x plus 2y plus y into value of dabba z by dabba y is 2x plus 2y, which is equals to, when we multiply x inside, it is 2x square plus 2xy. When we multiply y inside, it is 2xy plus 4y square, which is equals to 2x square plus 4xy plus 4 plus 2y square. Sorry, this is 2 into y, 2y square, 2y square. Now we can take 2 common from whole equation. When we take 2 common, it is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now observe this term. This is nothing but our z, our given equation. So it is equals to 2 into z. So here 2 is our degree. Therefore we get x into dabba z by dabba x plus y into dabba z by dabba y is equals to n into 2z, which is equals to 2 into z, which is nothing but our statement of Euler's theorem. Hence, it is proved verified Euler's theorem by this example. Okay, thank you, students.